Years ago when I gonna fight over everything that I just found. You know, like a couple 3 days ago, two, I don't know, 1, 3, two. I think it's two. And then I was seven. It's about airplane, fun airplane, okay. Yay. Now, let me do just to tell you how this game actually is. Money. Oh yeah, I live right here in Chicago. I don't live in Chicago. Daily challenge. What is it? Hit the pump. I'm gonna do it. A landing. Just to show you what this game called Airline Commander is.
Okay, I'll do the eyebrows.
No, we're gonna land. I'm already a pro at this game. Yeah, I better lower the speed. Lower the speed. Let me go faster. I want to land fast. But not too fast. Come on, flaps. I don't want to make a fast landing. This is not like them. Too low. Too high, too low. And man, I'm gonna prove. Oh my goodness, I almost hit that. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna hit the trees. I'm bad at this. I wanna hit this point. No! Dang it. I didn't even hit the point. Now let me hit the brakes. So this is, if you wanna do a fast lane now, just do it like, oh, where did I pause it? Oh no, I went out the wrong way. Whee, okay, you still feel you will go on the wrong runway. So if I was you, I wouldn't do that with a larger plane. We'll just go off the runway. Let me do the gun! And I'll wait. Oh, I didn't press anything. Let me do the flaps first this time. And then lower the speed. Too low, it's gonna say. Too low, low speed. Now go pick up the speed. Because I'm gonna land a face landing just kidding. The thing I have to focus on is on hitting this, whatever this green highlighted bar, whatever. Oh, why do I always go close to those houses? Like if I had to do an emergency landing. Motor 10. No. Yes, that was 10 times closer. 50 times closer. I can't stop. Turn off the motors. So I just stop like nothing. There, I stopped them. Now I stopped them.
Right, join November behind company.
Yay! I think I'm but just to see what score. Let me see what I have to be and whoever's on first. As I said first place. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, that person got like 0.0005. Oh my goodness, that's like the closest I've ever seen. Well, one time I saw 0.1. I was like, oh my goodness, this is like the lowest. Okay, I have to beat that high school. I can land. I'm a pilot. I wish I could be the airline commander. But I'm just a junior flight officer. I better pick up the speed because I don't want to land too close. And I don't want to fall into those buildings, which I'm already 106 feet. Which is a feast. One time closer. Yay, now I better stop these motors. Better stop before I crash. Before I top.
Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
I think I'm just gonna tax.
Good night, man. We'll
I
1697.
like, no, taxi.
Coming down the left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
I landed. Now I want to waste $2. I only have $12. Well, this game is kind of fun. Well, it is fun. It's fun. Alright. It's already been 5 minutes and like 2 flights. 2 landings, not like full flight. Yeah, I'm gonna. That's okay. Yeah, this is okay. I wish I could be the airline commander to get this ginormous plane that could get like 1 billion passengers. Rank airline commander required. I know. I'm just what am I? I know what I am. What is that? I'm a what? I'm a flight officer. I thought it was junior flight officer. Oh, there is a junior flight officer. I can't believe I already passed it. Come on, I need a license, but I need level 8. Let me practice. I don't know what should I practice. Practice doing gear failing with air balancing. That's like the hardest license I ever did since now. There's also emergencies in this game, so it's more fun. Yeah, we're about to land. I know we're about to land. Now okay, but I need to reduce the speed. And now we'll say and then what don't do it before. I already did 200. No, lowering the flaps to a 2. Let's try to do it to a 4. Full power. No, what was this? What was this emergency? Oh no. Oh yeah, I know what kind of emergency. There. How easy was that? Like 9 liters. 9 liters. That's like enough. And I need two less landing. Okay, I'm dropping fuel in the air. I wonder where it lands. Wait. We saw the fuel is. I should put it a little more. This is light balance, right? But I should use more fuel. Now it's as light as a feather. Just kidding. And it could fall easily because no, it can't fall down. I know. I have to land like this. Why? I have to go at the lowest speed ever. Because if I go too low, just not too low. Landing, I don't care. If I have to land all the way here. Oh, come on, hurry up. I'm gonna break the airplane. My goodness, what just happened? My god. Stop. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did it. Oh, shush. Okay. 9 minutes of video. Okay. Car. Now, I should do a full flight for this video. Is there one full flight? Full landing only. Okay, what should I do? No, that's just... Oh my goodness, it's gonna expire. Don't expire. Oh, it was 1 second until expiring. I'm like, oh my goodness. That was close. It doesn't expire during the flight. Oh my goodness, what is this? I can't see. Oh, I don't know. on the motor. Okay. 50, 40. I always do a terrible landing, you say. Give me all the money, give me all the money, give me all the money. Oh, I want full money. It's not like I get paid part-time, I get paid, just on landing. Oh, this is a big emergency because this is an emergency all the way to the middle. Is it gonna be an explosion? I hope it's not like the motor exploding. It's just Rebel land, yay! Oh no, the motor's gonna explode 10 seconds. Oh, it's Pigeon Airlines, okay. Oh, this airline always fails on me. I hate this airline. No, what's wrong? ASS, what's A? Oh yeah. What the heck? My goodness! Hurry up! Get fuel! Get fuel! Get fuel! Yeah. Oh no. I better take care of this emergency. Okay, okay. Engine 1? What's wrong with engine 1? And is it using too much fuel? Oh my goodness. Come on, where's the engines panel? Okay, turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it on. Not too much fuel for engine 1. Okay. Yes, the emergency's gone. Now let's put it on full power. Oh no, I'm low fuel. Low fuel. I wish there was like a fuel saver or something. We're about to land. We're about to land. We're about to land. And we have to go slowly, slowly. I'm like, this is like an emergency, a big one. It wasn't too big. I was like, I never passed. I never did that license. Probably only have to get fuel to the other one. I'm like, oh, this is easy. Only nobody said emergency halfway. It wasn't really an emergency. Landing, landing. Oh. Say that. Save you. We're almost out of fuel. That's why I have to go so slow. Oh my god. What happens if I drop all the fuel? Oh my god. Does it give all the fuel? Yes, I give all the fuel before landing. Yes, give me all the money because I did a good job for this emergency. I saved everybody. And I didn't destroy my car. Yeah, what else do I have to need? Everything about landing. I'm like, sheesh, I'm like, this is lots of landings. This is like my 1500th time I do a landing. Let's go, landing.
5130 Monte Carlo, 180 coming out of right.
Christmas. Give me some sugar. Like Santa's Donuts or what the heck? Let me go faster. It's still 1.8 distance, well it's kind of going fast distance. I have to go down, I think. Nah, I think I can go slower here and then... Okay, I could go slower here now. Come on, I have to go down. Like half of 45, I don't know what's half of 45. So... No, 40. I'm not doing that to find out what's half 45. No, 35. rough landing. At least you didn't say bad landing. Was it a full landing or was it just the landing?
Coming out left, you'll Lima 165.
Okay, guess we're gonna end up today's video here. If you like and subscribe because I just don't know this game. There's a lot of stuff to do. Well, I don't want to waste that time. And this is like the first plane I got. This one right here. Leaderboard. Oh my goodness. That person is airline commander, and I'm just a joiner on the flight off. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. Just like freaking. We're gonna end up to this video. Please like and subscribe and peace.